Alright YouTube, now we got another unboxing for the Ring video doorbell. I picked this up on Black Friday. I think it was on sale. Let's look at the specs. Okay, Google Play, Ring video doorbell, 1080p video, chargeable battery, line view, 2.4 gigahertz. People only mode, night vision. Works with Amazon Alexa. Alright, do have an Alexa app. Motion alert, photo history, people only mode, live view, two-way talk. Okay. Well, we're gonna unbox it and set it up today and test it out and come back with a review sometime in the near future. Alright, let's see what you actually get. Alright. Let's see what you get. Installation screwdriver, I guess. Not as easy to do with one hand. Yeah, looks like a charging cable. So open it up. See. Yep. Hopefully USB-C charging cable. Nope. Okay. Here is the unit itself. Okay, that's the camera. Okay, I guess you're supposed to use the provided screwdrivers that come in. Alright, we're gonna put it on the charger, and then the next video will be us doing an installation and powering it up and getting the app to go, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, we shall be back.